Most of us have heard of summer, winter, and all-season tyres, and when it comes down to it, the most important difference is the tread pattern, as they've all been designed with a specific needs in mind. So let's break down each tread pattern and what they're for. Summer tyres like this typically feature larger tread blocks and fewer grooves. This means more rubber is in contact with the road, improving grip, handling, and braking performance in both dry and wet conditions. The grooves are designed to channel water away efficiently, but the focus is on maximising the contact with the road. Winter tyres, on the other hand, have a much more aggressive tread pattern. You'll notice deeper grooves and a higher number of sides. Those small cuts in the tread blocks help bite into the snow and ice, providing better traction in cold conditions, whilst also improving water and slush evacuation. Before we continue, make sure to subscribe to stay up to date on the latest tyre and industry advice. All-season tyres sit somewhere in between, blending both elements of winter and summer tyres, offering a balanced design that can handle a variety of conditions. You'll see a mix of grooves for water evacuation and sights for added grip in colder weather, making them a versatile option for year-round driving in milder climates. So there we have it, the tread patterns explained. Whether it's summer, winter, or all-season tyres, now you know the difference in tread, so you can make sure you pick the best tyre for your needs.